my dear children. Welcome to Coral Publishers Eco Tour, a book of environmental studies for class 4th. Children, let's begin with chapter number 10, that is shelter of animals. Now you all know कि animals जो हैं उनको भी shelter की ज़रूरत होती है to protect themselves from their enemies, to escape the harsh weather conditions. Animals are found everywhere. They live on land and in water. Different animals live in different types of shelters. Let us read about the shelter of some animals. Like us, animals need shelter. तो animals को भी shelter की ज़रूरत होती है. क्यों होती है? To protect them from heat, rain, cold and enemies. Shelters in which animals live have special names. Animals are found everywhere on land, water, air and under the ground. Now, like humans build their houses and live in that. लेकिन animals जो होते हैं ये natural habitat में रहते हैं. ये अपना घर जो है caves में बनाते हैं या colonies में बनाते हैं. But they don't build their house. They live in their natural habitats. Animals which live on land are called as terrestrial animals. Cheetahs are the world's fastest animal. Let's get started. Name the animal who live in these houses. Stable. Stable में कौन रहता है बच्चों? Horse रहता है. Coop में hen रहती है. Sty में pig रहते हैं. So like this, you are going to complete this out on your own. Animals that live on land. The animals that live on land are called as terrestrial animals. तो ये animals कहाँ रहते हैं? ये animals forest में रहते हैं. So ऐसे animals कौन से हैं? Like elephant, tiger, lion, etc. Animals that live on land are called as land animals. Animals like lion, tiger, bears, camels, elephants, etc. belong to this category. Knowing more, snakes are terrestrial animals that do not have legs. तो snakes के पास legs नहीं होते. They crawl on the ground with the help of scales present on their body. Teaching tips: teacher must be aware of all the students about the shelter of different kinds of animals and also motivate them to be kind with animals. So we should be always kind with animals. Animals that live in water. तो children, जो animals water में रहते हैं उनको हम aquatic animals बोलते हैं या water animals बोलते हैं. Like fishes, all type of fish, they live in water. क्या fish land पे रह सकती है? नहीं रह सकती. वो सिर्फ पानी में ही रह सकती है. Octopus, crabs, prawns, all of these are water animals. Animals like fish, whale, octopus live in water. They are called as water animals. They have special features that help them to breathe and swim in water. तो they have gills. Fishes के अंदर gills होती हैं ताकि वो easily water में respire कर सके. They have fins. Tail होती है उनके पास जो help करती है उनको पानी में swim करने में. उनकी body streamlined होती है ताकि वो easily water में move कर सके. Some water animals like shark, whale and octopus live in salty waters of the sea. Many types of fish, lobster, crabs live in seas. There are many other variety of fish and crabs that live in fresh water. तो बहुत सारी fishes ऐसी होती हैं जो fresh water में रहती हैं. बहुत सारी ऐसी होती हैं जो salt water में भी रहती हैं. They are called as freshwater animals. Animals that live in water are also called as aquatic animals. Animals that live in air. तो आपको पता है air में कौन रहते हैं? Birds रहती हैं. तो birds को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Aerial animals या फिर air animals. तो ऐसे animals जो air में रहते हैं उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Aerial animals. Birds have wings to fly. तो इनके पास भी क्या है? इनकी body भी modified होती है. They have special features जो उनको help करते हैं to live in air. Like they have wings. Their bones are hollow. उनकी bones जो होते हैं अंदर से खाली होते हैं ताकि उसमें easily air fill हो सके और वो आसमान में उड़ सके. They move in air from one place to another. Even insects like wasps, butterflies have two pair of wings to fly. तो इनके पास भी wings present होते हैं ताकि ये air में fly कर सके. Housefly has only one pair of wings to fly. Even bats have wings to fly. Animals that live in underground. Now बहुत सारे ऐसे nocturnal animals होते हैं like rats, snakes और कुछ insects होते हैं like your earthworms, snakes and rabbits जो कि burrows बनाते हैं या holes बनाते हैं ground में and they live in that. Learning based activity. Name two animals of each type. Water animals. So you can write the name of fish, crabs, etc. Land animals. It could be elephant, it could be tiger. Aerial animals, you can write the name of any two birds. Underground animals में आप rats लिख सकते हो, snakes लिख सकते हो, anything. All birds cannot fly. Some birds like kiwis, ostrich and penguins have weak wings and does not fly. Animals that live both on land and in water. तो ऐसे बहुत सारे animals हैं बच्चों जो land पे भी रह सकते हैं, water में भी रह सकते हैं और इनको हम बोलते हैं amphibians like a frog, salamander. तो ये पानी में भी रह सकते हैं और land पे भी रह सकते हैं. Frog, toad, salamander and tortoise are the examples. Now shelter of animals. तो animals को भी shelter की बहुत ज़रूरत होती है to protect themselves from heat, cold, rain and also from their enemies. उसके बाद उन्हें अपने बच्चों को भी वहाँ रखना होता है. Just to rear off their children, they need a shelter. Shelter of land animals. To protect themselves from the enemies and harsh weather conditions, animals also need shelter. Generally, animals do not build any shelter. वो natural habitat में रहते हैं, अपना shelter build नहीं करते हैं. Like tigers है, lions है, they live in natural caves. Natural बनी हुई caves में रहते हैं. Elephants है, elephants पेड़ों के नीचे रह लेते हैं. Rabbits है, rats है, ये burrows बना लेते हैं और उसमें रहते हैं. They live in the natural shelter like caves between the rocks and shades of tree on the trees and or in water. Big forest animals like tiger, lion, bears live in natural caves in jungles. Elephants and deer live under tree. The natural environment of a living thing is called its habitat. Now domestic animals. Domestic animals are one जिनको man rear करता है for its use. चाहे वो उनको as a pet animals रखे या फिर उनको domesticate करे for the purpose of economy. Domestic animals live in man-made shelter. तो ये man-made shelter में रहते हैं जैसे कि cow. Cow कहाँ रहती है? Shed में रहती है. Horse कहाँ रहता है? Stable में रहता है. These shelters वही बात है ये भी animals को protection provide करते हैं from the harsh weather condition, from enemies, etc. Horses are kept in stable. Sheep and goats are kept in farms. Pig lives in a sty. Cows and buffaloes live in shed. Dogs and cats are kept as pets in the homes. Shelter of underground animals. जो जैसे animals है, rabbits है, fox है, rats है, तो ये क्या करते हैं? They dig burrows and they live in that burrow. Snakes also live in holes and sometimes on abandoned ant hills. Crocodiles lay egg in the holes near river bank to avoid the heat of desert. Desert animals live in burrows अंडर द ग्राउंड और हाइड इन शेड ड्यूरिंग द डे. तो दिन के टाइम में बहुत गर्मी होती है इसीलिए वो अपनी बरोज में छुप के रहते हैं और रात को निकलते हैं शिकार करने के लिए, प्रे करने के लिए. इसीलिए ऐसे एनिमल्स को नॉक्टर्नल एनिमल्स भी कहा जाता है. दे कम आउट मोस्टली ड्यूरिंग द नाइट. Nocturnal animals like cockroach, kangaroos and rats stay in cool underground places. They come out at night when the weather is cool. Shelter of water animals. तो you all know water animals कहाँ रहते हैं? Water में रहते हैं. तो fishes जो है ज़्यादातर rocks के नीचे या they hide themselves behind the rocks or live on the seabed. Fish make their homes in corals or among the underwater plants. A starfish lives on sea rock. Octopus live amongst the rock at the bottom of the sea. The seashore provides shelter to crabs, turtles and sea worms. They live under the rock or make holes in the sand. Walruses spend their entire life in cold sea water of the polar region. They come out of the water just to give birth. Albatross is a seabird. It spends its entire life flying over the sea. Shelters of insects. तो जो insects होते हैं they are very social animals. If you see a honey bee कैसे रहती हैं? They make beehives और जिसमें बहुत सारी honey bees जो है वो इकट्ठे रहती हैं. So they live in colonies. They live together. Ants की बात करें तो ants भी they are also social animals. वो भी क्या करती हैं? They make ant hills और उसमें बहुत सारी ants मिलजुल कर रहती हैं. Some insects like honeybee, ants and termites live in well-organized groups and build shelters. Honeybee live in beehives. Ants and termites build large molds of soil with many tunnels to live in. Ants, bees and wasps are social animals as they live in large groups called colonies. Birds make nests. तो you all know कि birds जो हैं वो कैसे हैं? They are the aerial animals and they make nest to live in that. और nest कहाँ बनाती हैं? ये बनाती हैं ऊंचे ऊंचे पेड़ों पे. Birds build nests. They carefully choose a place for their nest. A nest should be safe for birds to hatch their eggs. They make a nest to lay eggs. Birds build different types of nest. तो अगर हम एक टेलर बर्ड की बात करें तो ये क्या करती है? ये 2 लीव्स को सिलती है. इट कैन टेक स्ट्रॉज, ग्रास, कोई भी मटेरियल लेके ये 2 लीव्स को सिल कर अपना घर बनाती है, मीन्स नेस्ट बिल्ड करती है, एंड इट लेज एग्स इनसाइड दैट नेस्ट. A tailor bird stitches leaves together with threads, wool or cotton. The nest is lined with cotton wool and dried grass to keep it warm. As this bird sews its nest, इसीलिए इसका नाम रखा गया है tailor bird. Woodpecker. Now woodpecker, as the name indicate, ये wood को peck करता है और उसके अंदर होल बनाता है. wood को drill करके उसके अंदर एक होल बनाता है और उसी होल में ये रहता है. Woodpecker makes its nest by drilling and pecking a hole in the tree trunk. With its sharp beak, the hollow space is lined with chips of wood to make it warm and cozy. Most birds make their nest on trees. Penguins make their nest by collecting pebbles. तो penguins you all know कहाँ रहते हैं? बहुत ठंडी जगह पे रहते हैं, polar region में रहते हैं. तो they collect the pebbles. Pebbles को collect करते हैं, bones को collect करते हैं, जो कि ग्राउंड पे लाई कर रहे होते हैं और उससे अपना नेस्ट बनाते हैं. दे मेक इट सो कोजी कि उसके अंदर वो इजीली रह सके, उनके बच्चे जो है उसके अंदर वार्म एंड कोजी रह सके. द किंगफिशर burrows a hole in the bank of river and use it as its nest. स्पैरोज और पिजन्स, इनके नेस्ट तो बच्चों आपने भी देखे होंगे, ये कहीं पे भी अपना नेस्ट बनाते हैं. बीट अ ट्री, अगर कहीं घर में कोई खाली जगह है या कहीं फैन में कोई होल है, उसमें भी ये अपना घोंसला बना लेते हैं. Make their nest on branches of trees, in windows, ventilators of the house and in other safe place. They use articles like bits of straw, grass, leaves, pieces of cloth, cotton threads and feathers to build their nest. Weaver bird makes a beautiful nest with twigs and grasses. The weaver bird act like a weaver. तो weaver bird as a weaver, जैसे एक weaver weave करता है ना क्लॉथ को, बिल्कुल ऐसे ही ये अपने नेस्ट को वीव करके बनाती हैं. The nest hangs from the branch of a tree. The bird enters its nest through a tunnel-like opening at the bottom of the nest. Cuckoo. Now cuckoo, जिसे हम कोयल भी बोलते हैं हिंदी में, it is a very lazy bird. बच्चों वो अपना नेस्ट कभी नहीं बनाती, इवन कि वो अपने एग्स जो है वो क्रो के नेस्ट में लेकर जाती हैं. It does not make its own nest. It lays its egg in crow's nest. We must learn to live peacefully with animals and not interfere in their domain. Special body features of animals. Most animals have 4 legs. तो आपने देखा है ज़्यादातर animals के 4 ही पैर होते हैं. They have hoofs, paws or claws. Animals like cow, buffalo, rhino have horns. तो horns किस लिए present होते हैं? To protect them from their enemies. They use it to protect themselves. Birds and insects that can fly. उनके पास क्या प्रेजेंट होता है बच्चों? They have wings. Wings उनको हेल्प करते हैं to move in air. Mammals have hair on their body. क्योंकि ये warm blooded animals हैं, इसलिए इनकी बॉडी को गर्म रखने के लिए they have hairs on their body. The body of animals that live in cold regions such as sheep, yak and polar bear are covered with thick fur. ऐसा क्यों है? क्योंकि जो हेयर्स उनकी बॉडी पे प्रेजेंट है बच्चों, दे एक्ट एज इंसुलेटर्स. वो उनकी बॉडी को वार्म रखने का काम करते हैं. Hedgehogs and porcupines have spikes. तो spikes इसलिए प्रेजेंट होते हैं ताकि कोई भी एनिमी उन पे अटैक ना कर सके. वो पहले ही उनको चुप जाएंगे और वो उनको छोड़ के भाग जाएंगे. Most animals have tails. ज़्यादातर एनिमल्स के पास टेल होती है. तो टेल के थ्रू वो क्या करते हैं? Animals like cow use it to drive away the flies. तो क्या करते हैं? The tail helps the animal to drive away the flies. Monkey uses its tail to swing from one branch to another. तो monkey अपनी tail को एक branch से दूसरे branch पे move करने के लिए use करते हैं. A squirrel uses its flail to climb the tree. Water animals use their tail and fins to swim. When body covering of some animals help them blend with plants, with their surrounding or even with other animals, it is called as camouflage. तो कुछ animals like chameleon, they camouflage. मतलब वो अपना रंग बदल सकते हैं according to the surrounding, just to protect themselves from their enemies or to catch the prey. Chameleons, stick insects and Indian oak leaf butterflies can blend into their surrounding. Size of animals. There are different size of animals. Some animals are very big like elephant, giraffe. Some animals are big like lion, tiger, zebras. Some animals are small like deer and monkeys. Rats, rabbits and squirrels are also small animals. Some animals are very small like houseflies, mosquitoes and ants. Giraffe is the tallest land animal. In the herd of elephants, the oldest female is the leader of the group. It is known as the matriarch of the group. Now, fun activity. Look at the picture given below. So, you have a picture of different animals here. Write the name of animals in order of their size in your notebook. The smallest one will come first. तो आपको यहाँ पे इन animals को arrange करना है from smallest to the largest. Have a look on revision time. Land animals usually live in natural shelters like caves, trees, holes and burrows. Birds build nests to lay eggs. Birds use grass, leaves, twigs, wood, hair, cotton, etc. to build its nest. Animals which live both on land and in water are called as amphibians. Most animals have 4 legs. Have a look on exercise, children. Tick the correct option. A rabbit lives in a burrow. Honeybee lives in beehive. Animals that live in air are called aerial animals. Pig lives in a sty. Which animals use its nest? So it's a tailor bird. Animals that live both on land and in water are called amphibians. Now children, let's start with the fill in the blanks. The dash in which animals live have special name. The shelters in which the animals live. The housefly has only one pair of wings. Domestic animals live in man-made shelters. Starfish lives on sea rock. Water animals use their dash and dash to swim. So they use their tail and fins to swim. Nest should be safe for birds to hatch their eggs. Write T for true and F for false. Animals that live on land are called land animals. Yes, this is true. Elephants and deer live in stable. No, this is false. Crocodile lay eggs in holes near river bed. बिल्कुल सही है. This is true. Most animals have 5 legs. Nahi, they have 4 legs. So this is false. The weaver bird nest is very attractive. Yes, this is true. Like us, animals need shelter. बिल्कुल सही बात है. This is also true. I hope you have understood this chapter nicely. Stay tuned for the new video. Till then, goodbye.